As you see guys, that the Bitcoin daily candle here, it finished and it's breaking for us the all-time high. As you see, that one here, it used to be the all-time high. That candle here, it's breaking the all-time high. Now the question you need to ask, did the Bitcoin from here going to continue more upward? Because now it looks like there is no more power to push it more higher. Or from here is going to do for us like 2021? That's the question you need to ask, my friend. Because the all-time high, we break it. In 2021, it do the same thing, guys. It breaking the all-time high here like that. Then after that, we saw the bear market started. Did the Bitcoin going to do like that? We're going to see, and that's what we are going to discuss in today's video. By the way, guys, before I continue, I want that video to reach to 100 likes. And no, you can do it. You haven't supported us in yesterday's video, so please, my friend, if you haven't smashed the like button, go now, smash the like button, write down a comment, tell me your thought about Bitcoin. What are you thinking? Did the Bitcoin from here going to go to that 127k or no? I want to hear that from you in comment down. You done it? Thank you very much. And you, if you are not a subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our VIP Discord where we give a long-term swing trading and day trading signals. Also, we still have our trades open. Today, some people they following us, they haven't got trades. We give them some trades. That one here is one of them. As you see it here, I can show you more here. That one is the old trade. Is it from 102k? It's still running. And he may enter late a little bit, but it's okay. I'm making profit here. And that the trades me are open today, are open along in the sol. As you see it here, is it 20%? And let me show you the trades me I got open. As you see them here, that the sol long 15% here. I got XRP long 94%. I got Ethereum long 142%. I got Bitcoin long 162%, guys. And all of them, they are with small margin required, guys. Very low margin, and all of them, they are risk-free. So if is it at the top, fair enough. If the Bitcoin or crypto market is going to go more higher, fair enough. So if you want to benefit from those type of signals and you want to make money with professional people, that's the job of them. No bias, no fibs, no nothing. When we lose, we share it with you. We teach you a lot of things in our VIP Discord. So if you are interested, the link of our Patreon is down in the description of that video and in the first comment. Click at it. You're going to land here in Patreon. Click at join that one or that one or that one and finish payment process. Inside Patreon, there is a video going to show you all the steps till you're going to be in our VIP Discord. By the way, the two here, soon they are going to come off, guys. So act quickly before it's too late. If you join by any one of those ones, you're going to get it forever. But if you miss this opportunity, the prices they are going to increase. So act quickly before it's too late, my friend. We used to say that before, then we increase it. Now we say it again, and we're going to increase it, guys. So act quickly before it's too late, my friend. That's the only things I can tell you. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, what is it, the view? The view here, you remember what also we said about Bitcoin option here? That zone here, 110k. At this time when also we're recording, the Bitcoin is at 111k. So what the view? Today candle is going to close red, guys. Remember that. I tell it to you now before Friday candle close, and today candle is going to be red. We're going to make a correction. And after that, we're going either to remain upward or no. We're going to see based on a lot of factors, but also now we're analyzing day by day. Today candle is going to be red, guys, and we're going to fall down below 110k. And after that, we're going to see. Sometimes doesn't happen. Sometimes the market just continued upward. Even though one it's possible, and those ones they want to sell at 110k, they are going to be liquidated there or selling, depending which type of option they're using. If they're using European one, they're going to be liquidated. If they're using American one, they need to have Bitcoin to sell it there at 110k. Even that one is possible. Now here we still have that uptrend. Also we've been talking about it here a lot here. We haven't break it, guys, so there is nothing here. But also we came here not based on that one, we came because of that one here. That indicator of us, also we're looking at it every time, guys. Look at it here. You see us we enter to extreme overbought area. What shall we do? That the uptrend we got in the chart, is it here? As you see it here, that one we need to focus about it. If we're going to break it here in our indicator, then we need a confirmation here to tell us the market is going to dump, guys. So we still still waiting what's going to happen in the coming hours. So I think I explained everything. For those ones they haven't buy and they want to jump now at this time, is too dangerous, my friend. It's very, very, very dangerous to buy from the peak. That one here either is going to be the peak and we're going to see the Bitcoin dumping, or from here is going to continue upward. So if you want to buy, if you see it falling down below, then the previous candle close, you need to close that long. That's the only thing. Unless if you are a long-term holder and you don't care about nothing, you want to buy from here and to still hold until 2028, that's another story. But there is a dump coming, guys. The Bitcoin is showing as if it's slowing down. Yes, we're going to go more higher to 127k or something like that, but there is a correction coming. Remember that. I think I explained everything. Got something else here in Bitcoin in daily. Let me show it to you. Is it that one here? That one, all the people being talking about that 50 moving average, he crossed above the 200 moving average. That's very good, but we haven't crossed above, or the 100 hasn't crossed yet above the 200 moving average, and that doesn't happen a lot, guys. When it happens, something bad going to be. So also we're still waiting what's going to happen here in the coming days, but also we don't trade based on those moving averages. The only thing now, we got like a lot of support from down. That's very good news here. Now if we came and we take it off those moving averages and we add the Bollinger Band, as you see it, also we touch in here the top of it, like how it happened here, like how it happened here. Now what is it, the view? Either we're going to stay sideways like how it happened in all those places. The only thing you need to be focused with me, first, second, third. Now if we're making the fourth one here in the normal market, that when the market dump, even that one, it's possible. So you need to take question of you and you need to be worried what's going to happen or which next move is going to happen. I think I explained everything to you guys. So now let's going to see liquidity heat map, Bitcoin ETF, and Fair and Greed Index. So let's go in there. We started here by Fair and Greed Index, guys. As you see, look at the greed here. Extreme greed, 78%, guys. That's why I told you need to be careful. As you see it here, 78 is a huge number, so you need to be careful. You need to be careful. The top is very close, and we are very close to the top, guys. That's the only things I can tell you. Now it's going to see Bitcoin ETF, what happened today. Bitcoin ETF, same thing. They're showing us the same thing, but the only one we keep buying is our friend BlackRock. Look at it. Yesterday they buy 4.97k Bitcoin. That's my BlackRock. They got another plan for that market. It's not like anyone else. They don't want the Bitcoin to dump. That's what the view of them. They keep on buying with huge number. Look at it. They buying from the peak 4.97k Bitcoin. That's a huge number in the peak. Let's see what's going to happen today. We don't got the data yet, but we got others. Look, all others. This slow in here. Fidelity, they bought only 444 Bitcoin. ARK Investment, they bought only 81 Bitcoin. The rest, no one buying. The total here, 525. But BlackRock is going to come and they buy a huge number as every day. That's what they're doing. I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's go into see liquidity heat map, what they're doing today. Here we are, guys. In the liquidity heat map, we got a lot of stop losses down here. Above, yes, we got some stop losses, but not a lot compared to down. So what the view? The market here, based on 24 hours, is going to make a correction to 110k or below it. As I told you, we're going to close today candle below that level till we got some stop losses above here. Then market makers, they are going to push it to liquidate those ones above here, because even above, we got a huge number, guys. If you came here and you see 70 million, 35, 31, so we got a huge number of stop losses here. Even those ones, they are going to be liquidated, but to see the clear picture, you need to move upward. Today we are not going to move to weekly, we are going to go to monthly to see what is it there. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys. Here in the monthly, we got a different picture, guys. You see we still have stop losses above here. If we came and we put in here like that, guys, at 112, 831, we got 172 million stop losses here. Is a huge number, guys. And even down here, we got a lot of stop losses, but the big place is it that one here. You see it, guys? So now if the Bitcoin dump, look, guys, here what's going to happen. A huge number of stop losses down here. They are going to be liquidated. And also we're still waiting what's going to happen in the coming days. So I think I explained everything. Base here on monthly, guys, it's look like the Bitcoin going to dump because there is not a lot of stop losses above. Let's wait and see what's going to happen in the coming days. So I think I explained everything. Now let's going to see the coming news of today. So let's go in there. Here we are, that the coming news of today. We don't got something important today. We got Germany GDP and new home sales of USA. Those ones, they don't affecting cryptocurrency. Also, we came here based on the table of us. Also, we're looking at it every day here in that channel. Look at it, we're telling us. Nasdaq today closed the day green. The SP 500 closed red. The Dow Jones, same thing, red. The only thing, there is no huge move today. We fall down, we bounce from the 200 moving average in the daily. I'm talking here about the SP 500. Let's see if it's going to give us a new high. Our friend down here, the VIX is telling us, guys, something very important. We are at the 20 that month fair is it high, and at the level where us we buy. May I buy today? I will be honest with you, and I'm going to see what's going to happen in the coming days. Either if we're going to dump more or it's going to go more higher. May I buy because I got some cash, so I need to put it in stock market. That way may I buy because Bitcoin give me very nice profit, and that profit may I reinvest it in other things. That way may I buy today. I think I explained everything that is going to see the Bitcoin is doing today in 12 hours, guys. All is going there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. Here in 12 hours, we still have here that very sharp uptrend like that. Till now, we haven't break it down for us to thinking of the Bitcoin is going to dump. Our moving averages here, the telling us also we're still in a very sharp uptrend. Now the view, maybe the Bitcoin is going to fall down to here to make a test there. Possible, guys, because look at it, very clear here in 12 hours, those distribution zones, look at them. And you need to calculate in how long it's spending there, because let's see if it's going to pump more or no, because if we came and we calculating the pump in each and every time in those ones, we still have a little bit pump here to move more upward. The levels, you need to look close at them today. Let me show it to you. Levels, we have that level here 108 570, we got that level here 115 640, and we got that one above here 127 880. Those ones the levels, guys. Now the next target is it here 115, the next other target 127. That the view of me, guys. Go to your charts and draw those levels like that, and that one down here 102 603. Now it's going to see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. All is going there. Here we are in the Ethereum in the 4 hours, guys. Here in the Ethereum, you remember that head and shoulder as we show you here. It was in thumbnail of one of our videos here. I think past 1 or 2 videos, we show you that head and shoulder like that, and we told you guys it's breaking here. Look at that. Look at the Ethereum now where it is. Me enter from the tail of the candle here. Look tail where now I'm making more than 140%. My first take profit is it here. Exactly here, guys. Yes, now also we are stuck here in a very strong level here in the Ethereum. Now if you miss in the entry, what you can do, you came to that last high here, that one, and you waited to be broke to see if the Ethereum going to pump more. Based on that head and shoulder here, as we show it to you before, that head and shoulder, the take profit of it is going to be like that, guys, 2,800, and me my target for the Ethereum is it more higher, 3,000. I'll show you all those things. We got something else here in the Ethereum. Let me show it to you, which is very, very important. Let me show it to you. Is it that one here, guys? The Ethereum in daily, look at it. We bounced from the 200 moving average in the daily. Now we came back here again. Now, if we break it now, that's mean more pump, guys, and the Ethereum is going to go more higher. Second scenario from here, if it give us here like a double top like that, things is going to get very ugly and very bad, and we're going to see the Ethereum dumping, guys. Now, what the view, you need to wait in the Ethereum here in daily, what is going to do. If we break in the 200 moving average, more pump. If from here bounce down, that's another story, guys. I think I explained everything. I was going to see our indicator, what it's saying today here in the Ethereum. Our indicator, guys, it's still pumping. Us, we being yelling here, we being shouting every day, 2-3 weeks, and us we doing that divergence downtrend, and we show you the past. Even one of our thumbnails is getting broke here. Now what the view tell above here, tell extreme overbought area. Then that time we're going to wait another correction, then we're going to catch it, guys. That's what us we doing, and that way us every time we're telling you, if you want to benefiting from our daily swing trading and long-term signals, you can join our VIP Discord. Us the Ethereum for long term, we buy it from 1,400 at 1,500. But it's up to you, my friend. Now it's going to see the Sol or Solana we're doing today in 4 hours. Sol is going there. Here we are in the Sol, guys. In the Sol, it's still pumping here. In yesterday video, we show you that one here. We told you guys we got here a double bottom here, that one here. That way also we buy today the Sol from here exactly. Look at it, the Sol is still pumping. The Sol to where is going to go? Sol is going to go more higher than that. Let me tell you exactly the target of that Sol, guys. Sol at least is going to go to 197k. Based on that, guys, based on that one here, 197k, $197, and from there we're going to see what's going to happen in the coming hours because everything is getting broke. Only in yesterday video, if you watch yesterday video, we show you here that wage here. Actually, it was in the thumbnail, is getting broke here. Look where you are now. You just joined yesterday with them. You make very nice money. People there with us for long term, us we give them a signal to buy the Sol from $94 like that. From the bottom, guys, and that's the difference between us and other people, and that's why us every time we tell you can join our VIP Discord. But you find 25 bucks expensive. Now we are going to boost it more because us we don't want a lot of people, guys. It's just for a certain number of people because us we follow those people daily, so we don't want a lot of people. But it's up to you. Now what we got here, a up trend like that. I wonder if it's getting broke here. Maybe you can catch a short. Another thing which is very important here, which is that one here. You came and you do it like that, and you do it like that. What you seeing here in the Sol? A megaphone. If that megaphone breaking here, the Sol is going to pump more. That for those ones they're missing the entry from all those places. Also we show you. We got something else here in the Sol. Let me show it to you. Is it that one here? You see the Sol? It bounced before from the 200 moving average. Now we came back here. What the view? Let's wait and see what's going to happen here. The 50 moving average, he crossed above the 100 moving average. Based on those moving averages, that means also we are in an uptrend. Even the 20, we need to break the 200 moving average. We break it, the Sol is going to go more higher, guys. Sol is going more higher. By the way, that one here is it in daily, guys. That one here, that daily chart of the Sol. So if we break in that 200 moving average, where is the Sol going? We're going back here exactly at $270. Exactly that last high here. So I think I explained everything to you. Now let's going to see our indicator what it's saying today. Our indicator, same thing, guys. We are going to enter here to extreme overbought area like how it happened here. But this time we need to be careful, guys, because we need to look if we are going to break that last high here or no. I think I explained everything. Now let's going to see Bitcoin is doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys. Here Bitcoin in 4 hours, there is nothing to say here. For you to enter now, long is impossible to find a long now. Even that wage also used to show you before here is getting broke here as you see it, guys. When there is nothing here now, the only things now you can make something like that, like a up channel like that, and you wait in the top of that up channel to be hit here. At man, we are going to go above the 112k. That's the only things I can tell you, guys. For short, you need a price action or you wait a correction, then after that to enter a long. That was me. I tell the people they follow me, I told them there is no short now. Tell the market, tell us that the right time. Don't try to catch the top. That's the only things I can tell you, and that's the advice I'm going to give you, my friend. Don't try to be smart and try to catch the top, because you are going to fight against big players in the field, and those people they got a lot of money, and you with your smaller account you can't fight them. So don't try to rush and try to jump in a trade from the peak like that. It's too dangerous for you. We got something else here in Bitcoin. Let me show it to you. Is it that one here? You see the 20 moving average, guys, what it's doing here. We're still pumping till we're doing the same thing here. That when we enter to a sideways zone, but now we're still in an uptrend, guys. Everything here is telling us also we are in an uptrend here. There is nothing change here. You see it, guys, or no? There is nothing change here. All the things, don't try to rush and to enter from the peak. Wait a correction. That's the right time for you to enter. That's the only things I can tell you. Now let's going to see our indicator what it's saying today. Our indicator, guys, we got another bearish divergence here. As you see it here, it's a very clear bearish divergence here. Actually, is it a clear bearish divergence? You can bring it from that tree here like that, guys. We got a very clear bearish divergence here in 4 hours. So you need to be careful, my friend. You need to be careful. That's the only things I can tell you. That's why me I told you it's too dangerous to try to rush to enter now. You need to wait till the right time. Got a big clear divergence, guys. All the things, if the volume came and push more higher, that's another story, and we're breaking all those divergences, that's another story. But now we touch here extreme overbought area. Yes, also we stay in here in a zone where it's only bulls they controlling. But see guys, you see that bearish divergence here? Look at it. Let me show it to you, those things what I'm talking about. You see it guys? Very clear bearish divergence guys. So you need to be careful my friend. That's the only things I can tell you. How we going to catch it? We show you that uptrend like that. Then we're going to update you every day. Now let's go into see it Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are guys, in 30 minutes, the Bitcoin here, he tried to show us here a price action, but me I'm focused about that uptrend guys here in 30 minutes. You see it, that one here, you can make it like that, like a up channel here, as you see it. And now what else we doing? We need to wait if the Bitcoin going to stay sideways like that area will touch in here, the lower of that up channel after to pump, that possible guys. Second scenario, that one here, let me zoom it a little bit to show you those things what I'm talking about. That one here, to give us guys a triple top like that, then after that to fall down and to break the neckline, and we're going to see the Bitcoin dumping. We got another thing here, you can make it like that, like a small pennant guys, but till now we haven't broken the top of it. We need to wait even that one. If we're going to break it, maybe we're going to pump again. All those scenarios, you put it in your chart and wait. I just show you got a big bearish divergence in 4 hours guys, so you need to be careful. Now it's look like we found a sideways level. I told you we're going to close Friday candle below 110k, but everything is possible guys. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today. Our indicator guys, you see we got here a bearish divergence here, very clear bearish divergence here. Should we enter a short? At this time as we stay in here, only in a zone where is the bulls the controlling. As you see it, every time we fall down we bounce from it. Let's see now if the Bitcoin going to break that downtrend here, which is the one here. If we breaking above here, that means we're going to break even here and we're going to pump more higher. So me I'll update you, I'll tell you everything guys. So that's it for that video, and please guys, if you like our content and you like our videos, make sure to smash the like button, write down a comment, and if it's possible you can share that video in any social media platform you like. You done it? Thank you very much my friends. In another video guys, bye for now.